an update on Dewey, the guy with the gold S2000 in the last, I think it was like 3 videos ago. I sold him those Skunk 2 racing cams. He actually got them installed, and today he's doing tuning at Redline Performance out here in Arlington. So we're gonna go see what his S2000 is putting down and see how it's running now. Yeah, he told me to come up there so we can get an update, so that's where we're headed now. I tried to hurry up and take the V out. I just got done detailing, so we're gonna head over there to Redline and try to see if we can make it and see if we can get some footage of him getting his S2000 on that dyno, guys. So I'll catch you. You know I gotta get you back on here.
Oh, what's up, man?
So you're representing back, man. Back at it. I see you got your bumper off over there getting tuned.
Yeah.
Tread wear is pretty fucking fast on those. I barely drive. They're brand new. I just bought them, so they're brand spanking new. Damn, who is this little chameleon? I mean, this Pearl Civic right here.
The red line, bro.
Nice.
I think they're still working on it. But...
Yeah, you can tell. Looks cool though. It's like a weird paint.
It has a blue pearl on it.
Yeah, that's crazy. Has like a front cage. Have you did any pulls on your car yet?
No. He's trying to turn it on.
Turn it on?
Yeah, because the ECU, there's nothing on it.
Mm.
It's fresh ECU, so there's no base map or anything on it.
Let's go see your car. Let's go see your car. So what do you predict that you're gonna? What do you predict you're gonna make?
I want 450.
450 to the wheel.
And it should be possible, I think.
Yeah, should be possible. Have the cams, everything. What size turbo do you have on here?
No, it's supercharged.
Supercharged, right?
It's a C3094.
So it's a smaller one.
It's a smaller one.
It's a smaller one.
The bigger one is C38.
Yeah, I think on mine I had like the biggest one you could get. Mine was huge. It sounded like a jet. It was like. Yeah, I think you'll make. It should make. Are you on E?
No, meth.
Meth, just meth. Now, if you're on E, you probably could have.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, for sure. Damn, got the Supra over there. Another S2000. It's clean. Yeah, he's having a couple issues getting it started, so he's trying to figure out some things, get the car started up, and then it should be good to go. Alright guys, he said he got it. AEM V2 ECU, first ECU, so time to get it tuned and see what kind of power he makes. He said he's aiming for 450 wheels, so we'll see where we're at. Got it started now. Get excited, boy. Get excited, boy. So he's maxing out at 10 pounds of boost. We haven't got any dyno readings yet, but he has got some good pulls in. RPM's going good. It seemed like it's running pretty good, so it's gonna change out some springs and then see if we can go from there. Try to get some better pulls, but she's on a dyno, got her some good, decent little pulls, but now he's gonna change out some springs and then we should get some numbers. See what we got. Oh, you dropped the. It probably fell to the bottom. Time to get dirty. So that's the old one. Yeah, and then that's
this one is like thick as fuck.
That's the new one. Put that back in there. Come on, man. You got come on.
Alright, I got make sure it's
You got the muscle. First graph dyno pool. That's your first graph dyno pool.
Oh, that's the first one, right?
Yeah. Powers.
Oh yeah, so that's where the looks like VTEC can go a little bit lower, I think.
Yeah.
Like this now.
It seems linear. Super consistent. It made the same power. The damn line is damn near the same. It's super consistent. Like this, it's the exact same. Damn near. He made point. Made point 7 more on this pool. Need more boost. Time for more boost. Torque numbers. So 223 torque, 301. Wheel horsepower for now. For now.
Small 4-cylinder motor, especially on boost application with the, especially your application with the boost is the new RPM, you want that power band to be this side to match with the boost. Right now I can tell you, with the stroker kit, the power band of it is falling when the boost is trying to climb.
So what about pulleys?
You can try, it's just, I don't know if the combination is good enough for the blow, even if you increase a couple more pounds of boost. I mean, you'll gain overall. Right. It just, by then, I can tell you now, yeah, that power band of this combination.
So now he's changing that to the smaller pulley.
Yes, sir. We'll make it right. Make it right, make it time.
So right now it's stuck at 6 psi, so changing it to the smaller pulley. So let's see what you're gonna make then.
Yeah, I think at least 30 more. And plus I turned down the Meth, so.
All right, aiming. All right, which one are you putting on right now? This one?
Smaller.
Should make a good amount. So he removed the diverter valve. See if we're gonna make some more power. There we go. 322, 339. You made 332. 332. 322 and 339.
Get in there.
Yeah. Made some more that time.
Let's get it, Joe!
There you go. 352. 312. And you shot a flame, but you probably went back there to see it, man.
Oh yeah, I should have sat back there, man.
Should have been back there. You probably caught your flame, bro. Now you're at 352, 312. Good power right there. 360 this time. 360. Going up.
That's going up.
Going up. Yeah.
Timing's a little too high now, man. It doesn't like it much, man. Especially now, you know, apparently it like it more, but
370. 370. Now you're definitely about 4. How you feel?
Feel pretty good, man. I'm ready to drive it, man.
So yeah, you're about 420, about 420.
Yeah, 423.
Almost 450. Almost. Back together. You over here staring at your horsepower numbers. Damn, boy, look at all that torque you done made.
God damn.
Boy.
Yo, I think that's more
370.
torque in your car, bro.
Boy.
Oh, but I gotta take it for a spin, though. For the update.
Oh, yeah. Let's go. Just got it tuned. Go for a spin, bro. Alright, here we go. First pull, get it tuned. Oh, you gotta keep going, though. Yeah, much better. Now you gotta keep it in the power band though. Try not to hit that red letter. There you go. See how much better it sounds? Especially with the cams and everything. Oh my god. That beats that crossover. He's coming for you.
He passed.
He passed? Yeah, he probably thought you went. Woo! Woo! Already avoiding cops on your first go, bro.
Oh my god, that's scary.
Like as soon as you pass, he hurry up and fucking can't. He was coming out of that bitch fast.
I should wait a little bit, huh?
Nah, I think he's gonna keep going that way. Cause he probably thought you went straight.
Hey, parking in front of that car is a good idea, dude.
Bro, yeah, he probably I guarantee he looked and probably thought you went straight.
No, I'm gonna wait.
Way different. Bro, those cams, like the crossover, it never sounds like that. Like the VTEC.
Oh yeah, dude. That VTEC, it kicks.
You see what I'm talking about?
Kicks. Yeah, dude, it kicks super hard.
Like it's a big ass difference. Like, bro, and the cam, those cams, that's what I'm talking about right there. Because I never installed them on my car, so I can tell the difference between mine and the way yours is kicking in. Like your VTEC and the way mine kicked in on mine.
Yeah, keep me at 6, right?
It should be like around 45 to 5. Yeah. Yeah. nice. Hell yeah. That's a big update right there now.
Sure, dude. Even though
Yeah.
I'm not making a lot, I'm pretty happy with it.
You're making a good amount.
I'm pretty satisfied.
You satisfied, man?
Satisfied, yeah.
Make sure y'all leave a like and subscribe, man. We're gonna keep an update on his car because he said he's gonna do some tweaking,
Yeah, for sure.
do some more tweaking, and then we're gonna do another update, man.
And hey, we're going out tonight, right?
Yeah, we should be going out tonight,
Are
man.
you recording that too or what? Vlog? Entertainment or what?
We could.
People like that shit.
We could, yeah. People like it. All right, man. Hey, I'm happy for you, bro. All right, guys. Make sure y'all hit that like and subscribe button. Stay tuned, man. Hopping in the V. Get ready to head out.